In today's video, I will be sharing an indicator that has the capability to increase your account size immensely. This amazing indicator is an advanced version of the Relative Strength Index, also known as RSI. The complete scalping strategy I'm going to be sharing with this indicator will definitely elevate your trading game and increase your account size immensely. So make sure to watch the complete video so you don't miss any important part of the video. So without wasting any time, let's open our TradingView chart. So this is how your chart should look like when you are done setting up the indicators. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 5-minute time frame to explain this strategy. So first of all, I'll quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain everything from the beginning. So to add this amazing RSI version to our chart, we will click on Indicator tab and we will search for Simple Neural Network Transformed RSI. After that, we will add this one, which is created by Quantra AI. So this is the amazing indicator I was talking about. This indicator is an innovative improvement of the original RSI with a simple neural network smoothing technique. This indicator, compared with the original version of the RSI, is smoother, has considerably lower noises, and it gives more accurate signals. It's particularly useful for lower time frames where the trading chart shows higher fluctuations. Due to this, it shows a clear view of short-term trends in lower time frames. Now let's see what components are used to create this amazing scalping indicator. First of all, the center line and the overbought/oversold levels are dynamic in this indicator, which means depending on the market condition, they slightly change. And this helps you to be more flexible in different situations of the market. For example, during a flat market or consolidation, periods the overbought and oversold levels becomes contracted, just like we can see here. Similarly, during market expansion, when the price is sharply moving in upwards or downwards trend, the center line of this indicator adjusts itself to better represent the average. One more important thing everybody should know about this indicator is that these two levels are used for overbought and oversold market conditions, are two standard deviations from the center line. And these two lines that we see here are at a 1 standard deviation from the center line. Having these parameters in place helps you can easily evaluate the situation statistically. There are a few more interesting information about how this indicator works, but that would make the video too lengthy. So let's just leave it and move on to the next component of this indicator. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. In this indicator, we can see the ERSI line is shown in the form of Heikin-Ashi candles. Reading the ERSI in this form is an excellent feature of this indicator because this removes the noise of the indicator even more and gives a smoother view of the indicator, which will help us with better entry and exit signals in our strategy. I will explain that in complete detail later in the video. After that, we can see this indicator also provides some buy and sell signals. These signals are generated when the indicator is at an extreme level, and then the color of the Heikin-Ashi candles changes. So if you want to use this indicator in reversal trading strategies, these signals can be helpful. So this is everything you need to know about this indicator. I will show you guys later in the video how we will use this indicator in our scalping strategy. But before that, let's add the second indicator of our strategy to the chart. So here we will click on the Indicators tab, and we will search for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. After this, add this indicator to the chart. This is a pretty old and useful indicator. I'm sure you all know about it. First of all, we need to change its settings so that it matches with the need of our strategy. In the input section of the settings, we will change the fast length to 100. After that, change the slow length to 200. And finally, we will change the signal smoothing to 50. After this is done, open the Style tab. We will remove MACD line and signal line because we only need the histogram. So this will make our chart easier to read and understand. we will use this indicator for long-term trend detection of the market. As this is a scalping strategy, keeping in mind the trend of the market will significantly reduce the number of false signals we get from our neural network RSI indicator. So whenever the histogram is green, the longer-term trend of the market is strongly moving upward. And whenever the histogram is red in color, the longer-term trend is in a downward direction. So this is how we will use these two indicators to open a buy and sell position using this strategy. When these Heiken Ashi candles change their color from purple to green, it shows that a pullback was formed in the market, which is ended here. So this is going to be a buy signal for us. Similarly, when green-colored candles change color from green to purple, this will be considered as a sell signal. Now, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. On this platform, you can easily make a deposit from your bank account and trade over 150 cryptocurrencies. You can use leverage up to 100 times while trading to make profits even faster. In addition, you can use a four-price layout to keep an eye on multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time. If you also want to trade on this exchange, visit Bybit through the link below this video, because through the link, you will get a deposit bonus up to $30,033. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we will wait for the RSI indicator to change from purple color to green color, just like it is done here. And then we will confirm this buy signal with the help of the MACD indicator. For this signal to be valid, the MACD histogram should be green in color. So as all the rules are confirmed, we can open a buy position here. The stop loss for this strategy will be set at the recent swing low, and the risk to reward ratio will be set at 1.5. As you can see, this is a pretty easy strategy, and anybody can easily follow it. Now let's see if we can find another buy trade example. Here, we can see the purple-colored candles change their color to green, which is a buy signal. One important thing to keep in mind is that we will wait for a complete candle to form, just like it has did here. We will not consider doji candles in our strategy. As we can see, the MACD also confirms this buy signal, so we can open a buy signal here. I hope you guys have understood the rules for opening a buy trade using this strategy. Here we got another signal, and I opened a buy trade, which was also profitable. Now let's go through the rules for opening a sell trade using this strategy. If you don't want to analyze prices yourself, you can join my Telegram group to get free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description below this video. So the rules for entering a sell trade are exactly opposite to the rules for a buy trade. We will wait for the green-colored candles of the neural network RSI indicator to change their color to purple. So this is considered as a sell signal. And to confirm this signal, the MACD indicator should be red in color, which indicates that the market is in a downtrend. So we can open a sell trade here. After the position is opened, we will set our take profit target at 1.5, and the stop loss will be set at recent swing high. As you can see, this strategy is pretty simple. Now, let's see if we can find another sell trade signal. Here, we can see we got another sell signal, and it is confirmed with the help of MACD indicator. As we can see, the market is in a downtrend. So we can open a sell trade here. Our stop loss will be set at a recent swing high, and the risk to reward ratio will be the same. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. This is going to be it for this strategy. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.